Have you ever been confused when you couldn't find the theme file editor in WordPress? Don't worry, it hasn't been removed, but it might not be where you expect it to be. Let's break down what's happening and how you fix it. If you are using a modern blog theme, the editor option under the appearance menu now opens the side door instead of the old theme file editor. Why the change? The WordPress team decided that having two different editors under the same menu could cause confusion. To make things simpler, they moved the theme file editor to the Tools menu. But what if you can't find the theme file editor anywhere? In some cases, it might be disabled entirely. This can happen if a security plugin or a setting in your WP config PHP file has turned it off. These precautions are often in place to prevent accidental change or protect your site from vulnerabilities. Once you understand why the editor is missing, fixing the issue becomes much easier. You will need access to your website files using FTP client or your hosting control panel's file manager. Open the WP config PHP file in a text editor and look for a line that disables the editor. If you find it, you can either delete the line or change its value from true to false. Save your change and upload the update file back to your server. Finally, refresh your WordPress admin dashboard and the theme file editor should now be visible again. And there you have it. It's an easy way to locate and re-enable the theme file editor if it's missing. Remember, always to backup your site before making any change to avoid potential issues. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.